Hello everybody, Jeff Cowan here from Jeff Cowan's Pro Talk. Thank you for watching and listening. Hey listen, I'm coming to you today because I want you to know I'm taking my 2-day workshop entitled The 6-Step Road to Service Department and Service Advisor Success on the road to Raleigh, Cincinnati, and Chicago this fall, and I've got some brand new content in it. For example, I'm going to really focus on showing your people how to close sales and handling objections. I'm going to give them over 100 different ways to ask for the sale. I'm going to give them a few hundred ways to handle objections, and this is important. You want to know why? If you went out to your best service advisor right now and asked them how they would handle the simple objection, it costs too much, and asked them if they could handle it, and if so, how many different ways, if you're lucky, they might say they have 2, maybe 3 ways to handle that objection. But in this workshop alone, I'm going to give them 20 different ways to handle that single objection. It's killer stuff. In this workshop, your people will learn how to maximize sales, effective labor rate, get the highest possible customer retention, and how to get perfect, yes, I said perfect survey scores. So you got to get them signed up. How do you do that? You just dial 1-800-248-2931, 1-800-248-2931, and there's an added bonus. For the first 500 people that call and get their people registered for one of these 3 workshops, I'm going to throw in my new video program and book entitled The Service Advisor's Bible to Closing Sales and Handling Objections. They will get a lifetime subscription for everybody that comes to that class and buys a ticket. So don't wait. Call today for the first 500 people, 1-800-248-2931. My name's Jeff Cowan, and I look forward to seeing you either in Raleigh, Cincinnati, or Chicago this fall.